everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Big Lots employee account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in ess.mybiglots.net and press enter on your keyboard. As an employee, you can easily enter your employee ID number and password for your Big Lots account. Go ahead and type in your employee ID number in the first box and then on the next field, type in your correct password. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password link beneath the sign in button and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. After filling in your details, click the sign in button and you'll be able to log into your Big Lots employee account. That is how you can easily access your employee account on Big Lots. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.